finish with just doing 2 times this exercise. It's a T gesture, and for me, at least in this exercise, but maybe general, the important thing is that the T is just, I'm reaching out upwards. I want to reach the sky. I want to reach heaven. And because of this, and that's not me, an answer is coming down, which I receive, and my fingertips just go with it. And this coming down is only possible as long as I still try to reach heaven. And then we open up, we come down, we open up a second time. Feel deep down into the earth and form the gesture of the O. And the O is becoming like a tympanon, so that we can somehow listen into our body if we have something like an echo, a resounding of what we did with the T in the beginning. But it's not the T, we will not see the same, but just how does it resound. 2 times. 1 time I speak a little bit more, 1 time less. I feel my lower legs, I start my upstreaming from there. Out there, and my heart continues the streaming up. And I reach very up high, I want to reach the sky, and then I feel something coming down, a countercurrent. And my fingertips follow it a little bit, and then let it continue by itself down into my heart. I still stream upwards under my upper arms and elbows and lower legs. And now I open up and receive. And again I open up and let go. And again I open up and go even deeper, deeper and deeper. And again I open up and start listening. Using the O gesture like a tympanon to listen into my body eardrum. I let my breath react and let go. And keep alive what was there. 1 last time. Let your breath react. Keep around yourself, in yourself, what became alive. Sit down, relax, listen to the resonance, and be grateful towards yourself that you have been working so hard. And I hope that you feel that the body likes it. Those of you who have a question can write one now. I can answer it. Those of you who just want to relax now, which would be great if you take 10, 15 minutes, maybe even to lie down, or to let the waves go on the shore and come back, or maybe let them go on the lake out there and come back towards you on the shore. Just allow yourself to take some time and to profit even more from what you've been doing.